Welcome to CAM Tech, located at 307 Newman Street in Springville. This is our brand new building. It will be ready for us for the 2020-2021 school year. What is CAM Tech? CAM Tech stands for Careers in Advanced Manufacturing Pathways and Technology, Early College and High School. We partner with Alfred State to offer two pathways. One is in computer information systems, and the other is in electrical construction and maintenance electrician.
Hi, welcome to CAM Tech. I'm Ms. Saunders, grade 9 through 12 English Language Arts teacher. In their English classes at CAM Tech, students have the opportunity to master grade-level learning standards in English Language Arts using the project-based learning model. In addition, students use the Google platform to complete assignments. Assignments have clear learning objectives, focus on essential questions, encourage critical thinking and problem solving, and culminate with a product demonstrating understanding and mastery of the topic. Moreover, in our English class, students work independently, in groups, and with partners. Class discussion and student presentation provide students with a chance to become active learners and contributors to the class learning environment. My goal as an educator is to make sure learning is meaningful and enjoyable. I look forward to working with each and every student.
Hello, my name is Noah Pierce, and I'm the Computer Information Systems teacher at CAM Tech. I'm a certified business and technology teacher with a background in software development. Starting in their sophomore year, students will be taking classes towards their Computer Information Systems Associate's degree from Alfred State. Each class that a student takes in this pathway is directly correlated to a career that a student may one day want to have. Topics include security, networking, system administration, software development, and web design. Our goal at CAM Tech is to prepare the students for the workforce. In their first 2 years in the Computer Information Systems pathway, students can expect to be prepared to take certification exams for both CompTIA and Microsoft. Starting in their junior year, the students will begin professional internships at local companies.
Welcome to the Social Studies classroom. My name is Mr. Chester, and here is where I teach global history, U.S. history, and economics and government. I just want to take a few moments to outline these three courses that I teach. Your first year at CAM Tech, you will be taking global history with me. Over the course of the year, we will explore the enduring issues which have impacted humans since the creation of the first cities all the way to the modern day. We will be reading and writing like real historians, but also applying that knowledge by modeling cities or castles, or by putting famous people and events on trial. Your second year at CAM Tech, you will begin your pathway courses, and you will be studying U.S. history with me. This course heavily focuses on the ideas and documents which have guided our country throughout its history. We will discuss and debate important issues like federalism, human rights, and imperialism, and we will see how this American experiment has so far been conducted and how it might be in the future. Your third year, we will take what you learned the year before and apply it to modern economics and government. Here we will learn how to exercise your civic duty and how you can take an active role in politics by practicing things like voting, campaigning, and petitioning. We will also be learning about the modern American economy so that you can plan for a financially stable future. I know I'm very excited to get to work in this classroom, and I hope you all are as well. I hope this video has given you a sense for what your social studies will look like, and I look forward to seeing you all here.
Hello, my name is Mr. Fitzner, and I'm the teacher for Electrical Construction and Maintenance program for CAM Tech. While working towards your high school degree, you will receive college credits. Upon graduating from high school, you will have 2 years to complete your associates from Alfred State College. In this class, we will cover topics such as basic electricity, residential wiring, industrial electricity, green technology such as solar and wind turbines, alarms and special systems, programmable logic controllers, and automation and process control. Upon completion of this course, you will have the opportunity to enter many different areas of electricity. You can enter as a residential electrician working on houses, or you can choose to work on equipment such as CNC machines or robots in a factory. I hope to see you in the fall.
Students who are interested in learning more about Tech should reach out and contact me, Paula Ferneza, principal, or our counselor, Kelly Werdine. They could also reach out to their homeschool counselors who can put them in touch with us.